Hi, I'm Daniel Charette. I'm the Chief Operating Officer of Charbone Hydrogen Corporation, a producer of green hydrogen in North America. I will be presenting today a couple of slides on our company and the development that we are pursuing in North America. So Charbone represents here a rare and unique opportunity to invest in the green hydrogen world. To be a path to zero carbon emission world. It has been created 3 years ago to develop and to operate a network of small-scale green hydrogen production facility that has a unique model and mitigate all the risk by having smaller projects that is taking advantage of the availability of green and renewable energy on the network and be based near some of the existing users and customer of hydrogen today. The idea was to migrate first those gray hydrogen user to green hydrogen and then get prepared for the enormous market coming up in North America, as one of the most difficult place to decarbonize is the heavy transportation. So Charbone is looking at green hydrogen as one of the key elements to decarbonize the world. Right now, 99% of the production is done by methane reforming, which is still creating a lot of carbon into the atmosphere. So Charbone facilities will be using as much as possible renewable energy across North America to be able to produce green hydrogen, which is right now an enormous market. So the future is here already today. We are already large producer of hydrogen that are used in different industrial sector. The idea is to decarbonize those sector as early as possible, and again, get ready for the personal, medium, and heavy mobility, which would be including as well train, rail, and marine application. Our serviceable market today, like stated earlier, is focused on the industrial users and will be focusing in midterm, which is within the next 24 to 30 months, on the heavy mobility. Personal mobility exists already primarily in California and in British Columbia, Canada, where there's a lot of existing refueling station. Charbone has a strong trajectory to develop its project across North America. We have already in orange the Charette, Quebec facility, which is under construction and should be producing green hydrogen summer of 2023. We have under development a network or already announced of 3 other projects, one in Selkirk, Manitoba, one in Port Hawkesbury, Nova Scotia, and one in the port of Bécomo, northern Quebec. We are also working to develop 8 more projects, which will be primarily located in the US, and developing more projects around US as well. So Charbone green hydrogen projects are already getting ready in different phases. The project in Quebec will be developed in 5 phases from 0.65 megawatt to 20 megawatt, representing an incremental de-risk investment, while in Quebec we are already producing 40 tons of hydrogen, and we aim to migrate them with about 200 to 200 kilograms as a start to migrate them from gray hydrogen to green hydrogen. The Selkirk project is located at the wastewater plant, which we are planning to use as a kind of a circular economy, where the treated wastewater will be used for the electrolysis process before its return to the Red River. Charbone is Charbone is the only independent green hydrogen producer that has an off-taker for all of its produced hydrogen. Superior Propane, Superior Plus has already agreed under a signed contractual agreement with Charbone to take all the green hydrogen from the Charette plant, as well as from the Selkirk plant in Manitoba. And they will be offered to take all the other hydrogen from other projects as well. Charbone has been forging strong partnership to execute its business model. We have financial partner as Maxim Group in New York and Desjardins Capital Market for the Canadian portion of the market. For our commercial partnership, we have Superior Plus that I just presented to distribute our hydrogen. For the technology partnership, we have agreement with Risato BV for the hydrogen refueling station, Elogen for the manufacturing of electrolyzer, as well as Accelera by Cummins for the North American market for electrolyzers. We are also engineering partner with BBA. So Charbone represents a competitive advantage over its competitor right now because we have, by the experience of the team, determined that decentralized and scalable plant would be mobilized very quickly and cost effectively versus the very large project that could be announced that may take billions of dollars and many years to be constructed and permit. We are using low-cost renewable energy sources such as hydropower, wind energy, and solar to be able to have a stable and reliable baseload that will reduce the overall cost of the OPEX of our project. Charbone is eco-responsible certified, obtained in 2022, and pursuing diverse ESG and other specific certification under a different market. All production, again, is already sold to the exclusive agreement with Superior Plus, Superior Propane, to existing industrial users of hydrogen. This represents an opportunity to invest in a real pure play, which are very rare on the market. Charbone is probably the only North American player that is on the TSX and the OTCQB. Others pure player would be Everwind Fueled, no pure player, but Everwind Fueled in Nova Scotia, and diverse dirty hydrogen producer such as Air Liquide, Linde, and Air Product. Others on the market are manufacturer of equipment. The management of Charbone is based with Dave Gagnon, an experienced CEO, over 20 years of experience in renewable energy. Danielle Charette, which has been in the renewable energy sector for over 25 years. And our CFO, Benoit Veilleux, which is a former Air Liquide financial department manager. Our stock can be found on the TSXV, again, under the ticker CH. Many numbers can be found on our corporate presentation. So the ownership is right now 40% with public in order. The founder represents 34%, and other partners, very close partner, 19% of the shares. We have a comparison of different publicly traded companies that can be found on our corporate presentation as well. So you could find us and send us email for more information at investmentrelation@charbone.com or through info@charbone.com. Also be part of the future by becoming a shareholder of Charbone. Charbone is presenting as well a new project where we want to build our home branding through a new venture that would be called snow gas. So to be part of the future and refueling of mobility, snow gas, hydrogen would be kind of our commercial brand for the hydrogen mobility. Thank you very much for your time and looking forward to answer any of your questions.